morning, first period. Today is Tuesday, September 29th. Here is what you need to know for today. I have graded all of your baseline finals, so if you would, please check the grade comments. If you see that your grade is below 80%, you want to resubmit. Those papers were graded based on your ability to write. I was looking for organization, progression, and development of ideas. I did not penalize for the use of language conventions. That would have counted for a higher score. Most of the scores in the class landed in the range of basic writing performance, which means that your thesis did not control the paper. So some of you wrote a thesis, but in your paragraphs, you did not develop the thesis. If you received a B, that means you wrote a satisfactory paper. Your thesis was clear and the ideas in the paper were also clear. The score of a 4 is exceptional. It's really hard to get the score of a 4. It means not only is your thesis clear, your paper is organized, but you have a strong command of language conventions. The paper is smooth. I did notice throughout everyone's paper, I didn't see transitions. So we will focus on using transitions in this class. Okay, so be sure to check those grade comments and resubmit if there were any problems. Okay, and the lowest you can get on the paper, even if you only write a thesis, is a D. So you will still get a passing grade if you didn't write a full paper. When you resubmit, remember to alert the teacher using Padlet. Send your phone number the first 5 minutes of class to alert me that you want to have a brief conversation. If you need tutorials, you need to come to tutorials after school. When you send your phone number the first 5 minutes, it's something that you need me to clarify that's private. If it's something that pertains to the assignment you're working on, you can raise your Zoom hand. These are the ways to get the teacher's attention. Just raise your Zoom hand. That means I'm going to say something that the whole class can benefit from. If you send me your number, that means you want to talk to me about something that does not pertain to the entire class. The conversation shouldn't last any longer than 2 to 3 minutes. If you need more than 2 to 3 minutes, come to tutorials. Do not send your phone number. Okay? Also, if you need my attention during class, I'll be, while I'm conducting phone conferences or grading your papers, just raise your Zoom hand, or if I don't notice, unmute your mic and just call out my name so that I can address you. Because we have parent conferences tomorrow, there are no Wednesday tutorials. If you need me, you can come to today's session. Just click the Wednesday tutorial link on your page. It will take you to today's Zoom at 4 o'clock. Arrive no later than 4:05. To class, make sure you're arriving no more than 2 minutes late to class. After that, I am marking you tardy. 15 to 20 minutes, you are marked absent, and sometimes I may not even allow you into class. Make sure you're arriving on time. This week, your focus is Edgenuity. That's it. I won't bring out the columnist assignment just yet. We're going to put that on pause. Our focus is Edgenuity. Starting today, as soon as you listen to this video, log in to Edgenuity, and you want to let the log show that you spent 35 minutes per day. There are no quiz resets, so however you do on the quiz is what's going to be recorded, so be very careful how you perform on your quizzes. But other than that, every day this week, we're logging into Edgenuity, okay? So you can turn your camera off unless I say otherwise, log into Edgenuity, and you'll be receiving a participation grade. Edgenuity will show me if you are idle, if you are active. So no matter where you are in Edgenuity, make sure the clock says you spent at least 35 minutes every day in Edgenuity. It is a part of your test grade. If you have any other questions, let me clarify them. Y'all have a good day. Go ahead and you can turn your cameras off, log into Edgenuity, and if you need my assistance, alert me.